Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Photoshop tips and tricks. And in this video, I will show you on how to use Photoshop mockup template without any stress. Let me show you how. I have a particular mockup template I'm going to use as an example in this particular tutorial. So I'm going to minimize my Photoshop right here, and I'll go ahead and make sure I open my download folder. This particular mockup right here, I'm going to use it as an example. First thing first, when you download the mockup from the internet, make sure you unzip the file right here. So for that, we want to make sure we right click on the file right here, and then we want to make sure we go to raw, and then we make sure we click on extract to this, and in a few seconds we have the file beside the zip folder right here. So this is the file we need. Go ahead and press enter key on your keyboard, and the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on the Photoshop icon. You can see Adobe Photoshop. This is the file you need. Go ahead and press enter key on your keyboard, and in a few seconds the whole file that make the mockup is going to load up in your Photoshop, just like what you see right here. Now, how can we use this particular mockup right here in Adobe Photoshop? For you to download this particular 3D logo mockup, you can check the description of this video and get the download link. Download the mockup and follow along with the tutorial. Now, let's find out how we can use this mockup. So for that, we want to make sure I come to the layer right here from the sidebar right here. So what we are interested in here is that we need to look for your logo right here. So you can see, so what you need to do is to double click on this particular smart object thumbnail. So when you double click on this smart object thumbnail, it will take you right here. The next thing you want to do is to place your logo in PNG file format right here. So for that, I'm going to go ahead and go to my download folder right here. So I'm going to use a particular logo for this particular things right here. So I'm going to go ahead and look for the PNG file logo. Like for instance, I'm going to use this particular Google logo right here. You can see the logo here is a PNG file. So I'm going to go ahead and use this. So for that, I'm going to adjust the folder right here. So I'm going to go ahead and string in the folder right here and right here, so I can easily drag and drop the PNG file logo. So I'm going to go ahead and locate the logo again. So here we go. This is the logo right here. So I will go ahead and drag and drop the logo right here, just like so. So once you drop the logo, go ahead and click on done. And the next thing I'm going to do is to come to the layer right here. Make sure you hide this layer. Now we have our logo all alone. Next thing we want to do is to come to the top right here. We click on this tab right here, the close tab, and this is going to pop up. Then go ahead and click on yes right here. Once you click on yes, the logo is going to automatically replace, just like what you see right here. You can as well increase the logo size as the case may be. So right here, I can adjust the logo size. Just like so. So we have the logo right here. Now we can save the file in different file formats as the case may be. For that, we want to make sure we go to file right here. We go ahead and click on save the copy. Then we go ahead and come to save as type. Then we want to make sure we choose JPEG right here or different kind of file format as the case may be. I'm going to save as JPEG. And I'll go ahead and make sure I save it to my desktop. I'll go ahead and click on save right here. And this is going to bump up right here. I'll make sure I increase to the higher resolution, which is maximum. Then this will give me higher resolution of preview. Then go ahead and click on OK. Now you are done. Then you can view your logo in JPEG file format, PNG file format, as the case may be. So next thing I want to do is to minimize my folder, my PSD right there. That I have the logo right here. I'll press enter key on my keyboard just to load the preview of the logo in JPEG file format. Just like so, we have it right here. Like I said in the middle of this video, if you want to get the download link to this particular logo, check the description to this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.